What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I figured I would do some content on the old yellow girl. I've been wanting to do a video of like a POV sort of drive along video showing you how the car sounds with the current exhaust setup, having the secondary cats back on the exhaust system. So try to get some clips for you. Wasn't the easiest. My camera mount that I was planning on using didn't really work as intended, so they probably aren't the best video clips, but I will go ahead and play them now, and I hope you enjoy the video, and let me know what you want to see next on that Yellow 3.8. Well guys, as you could tell from those videos, the car definitely sounds much cleaner and very different than it did before when it was fully catless. So the nice thing about this setup is I can switch back and forth. I could take the secondary cats off and throw the test pipes back on if I want to get a little bit more rowdy, a little bit more rasp out of the tone of the car. I think having the secondary cats on really cleaned up the exhaust note a lot, and it helped to give it more of a sound like you would expect when you have a exhaust system for one of these cars, even though this is just upgraded downpipes, catless primary headers, and muffler delete. So it's only got the factory resonator on it, and now the secondary cats as well with upgraded downpipes. So I think it sounds pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed those sound clips, and I might do a comparison and throw the test pipes back on just so we can remind ourselves of how rowdy these cars get when they are fully catless. But hope you take care and have a great day.